Currently at Denny's, dining on that good shit. You know what it is. Got myself a banana, strawberry banana smoothie. This shit tastes fucking amazing, but it tastes like there's so much sugar in this bitch.
Nesquik. Does it taste like Nesquik? They probably put Nesquik.
Kinda, yeah.
You can smell orange.
Yeah.
Lies.
Tastes pretty good. We've gone with the Southwestern Denny. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to hear me in here though. Anyway, hopefully it's good. We've got day 2 of SEMA coming up. We'll eat some breakfast and then I'll have a rant about how expensive American food is. Alright, so I got the, what did I get? I got Southwest Denny. So it's like sausage, cheese, egg, hash brown, which their hash browns are so weird over here. Jen got some French toast and this tiny little plate of random stuff. But I mean, I feel like that's the best part, for sure.
Oh yeah.
So let's see how it is. The hash browns aren't like hash browns in Australia. It's
They're just hash.
it's literally like shredded potato.
Yeah, so shredded potatoes and then cheese and then they sandwich.
Pretty yummy, actually. Really good. Really good. Actually see through this bonnet. That's so wicked. It's so windy today, like it is so cold. Yesterday it was quite hot, like t-shirt and shorts. Now I'm like freezing. It's so windy.
It's like 15 degrees.
Yeah, it's like 15. Yesterday was like, I don't know, 24, 25, so it's a bit chilly. How's this thing? Fucking hell. So clean. Wow.
You can turn it off anytime you want. You can make it quiet. Not really because you haven't done the candles quiet, right?
No.
I want to open one. Stress relief.
Stress relief. Right, I see. Evo wagon, so sick. We don't really have these in Australia. Like I've seen a few of them, but none to this caliber. So we're about to enter the Toyo Tires Tread Pass Center, which is I think just a bunch of show builds. So should be a good time. Yeah. So yeah, this is just a hall of crazy builds. This is sick. I reckon Loki would like this. Loki would love this car. Yeah. Loki, if you're watching, this car's for you. Woo. Wow. I'm gonna need to turn the camera off and just admire this for a second. Damn, look at the interior. What? Oh my goodness, look at the Alcantara dash. Holy shit. Wow. These, these seats will be worth more than my bloody car. Fuck. This is amazing. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Wow. First car in, I'm already starstruck. Sheesh, fucking hell. I think this is the new BRZ. Obviously a big boy sponsored car. Nice race car. Look at this little opening quarter. Sick. There's me. What's up? Look at this wing. Man, we don't do enough stuff like this in Australia. Seaben carbon, or Seaben, whatever it's called. This wing is fucking massive. Look at these tires. What size are these? What size are these? These are, oh no, there you go, 295s, 30, 18s. So these tires are only 20 mil bigger than the ones on the widebody MX-5. It's crazy, like in Australia, my widebody MX-5's tires, they're like rule, like they're huge in Australia, but over here, man, like every tire on these cars are massive. They're fucking massive. They just,
We kept it nice and classic, 5.0, but again, taking and making those Ranchero GT covers.
how's the chrome?
Adding
Wow.
beautiful satin finish on the inside. Obviously, lots of metal work. Clean, and the glossy top.
This level of interior just blows my mind. '73 Ford Ranchero GT. There's so many Fords in America. They're everywhere. Over here we have a happy-looking rotiform Porsche. This is ridiculously nice as well. Look how wide this thing is. Holy shit.
Yes, that's right. Actually, if you look at the cars, they're this is a nice little touch. It's 14 karat gold that we put down there on the sill, and then they're all numbered. And each car will have a laser plaque with a QR code that specifies the spec build.
And you're doing that includes the seats and everything as well?
Depending on what
Look how wide this thing is. Fucking hell. It's so wide. I'm trying to... What size are these? Oh, these are 295s as well. I mean, my 275s, they're pretty big, but man, they just love big tires here, man. Jesus, this thing's insane. Look at this roll. The harness bar. You know me, absolute sucker for a Benz. I'll take a Benz over a Porsche any day. This is beautiful. 280 SE Brabus. Wow. Look at this one. Oh yeah. Yeah, I've seen a few cars like that actually. A few cars that are just like flexing euros or something.
It's fake, surely.
Probably, yeah. Look at this.
Those two.
This thing's fucking awesome. Look at this. Sheer amount of money that would go into this would just be crazy. All these builds make my build just look like a fucking Matchbox car, man. Jeez. Literally no idea what this car is. There are a few cars here that I just have no idea. What?
Because I think
the aero on this is crazy. Wow. Right here we've got a full carbon R32 GTR. Holy... You seeing this, man? Full carbon. The whole car. Everything's carbon. Look. Body. The seats. Yeah. Carbon fiber. Look at it. Can you... I don't even know if you can make it out on camera, but that's a full carbon fiber GTR. God damn.
No?
Doesn't say what it makes, but it does have a clutch in it that's capable of 4,000 horsepower. So, I mean, you don't just go and buy a clutch that can handle 4,000 if it's not pushing high numbers. With an LTO FD RX-7 with a fucking what? It's a V12. Oh my god.
Ja, also man muss überlegen, das Ventil ist nachher vorher so aufgegangen. Bei 5.600
Wide body LTO, LTO kit on the RX-7. ITB V12 RX-7. V12. Fuck. That's like 30 more cylinders than my MX-5 has. Wow. Jeez. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. I thought I went to heaven. This is heaven. I'm here. Guys, I'm here. Goodness. There are wide body cars literally everywhere. In Australia, there's like my wide body car, and then there's like some wide body BRZs and some 86s, but like nothing like this. Oh, there's that RWB Porsche is in Brisbane as well, but nothing on this wide body scale. It's insane. Beautiful. Wow. Insane. Oh, bloody hell. See this BRZ over here. First gen BRZ.
That's just for the...
With the pipes. Holy fuck. That's exactly what I saw. Holy shit. It's fucking crazy. Wow. The work. Look at the fucking exhaust back. Holy shit. So what, it's an 8-to-1 exhaust. So the extractors come all the way down into one big fucking 4 or 5 inch dump, and then it just goes straight back. That is pure insanity. That is pure money insanity. Fuck me. Imagine rocking up to QR in this thing. You rock up to Queensland Raceway and everyone would just be like losing their shit. This is pretty much Saxon Moy's car on steroids. Oh my god. I don't even know what that is. What is that? That's a... Bro, is that a Jetta? I don't even know. This wing is huge. Look how big this wing is. Fucking hell. People thought the wing on my MX-5 was big. Look at this shit. Fucking crazy. What's up, fellas? How's it going? What up? Guys, sign my good club.
What's the other glove?
No. The other gloves are honestly.
Okay. So you only drink one glove? So what's the other glove for? Okay. But you said it's your drift glove. Okay. But it's only one. I'm just I was waiting for it. Chelsea to know for ladies. I heard the accent. I'm like, I was waiting for it to tell me to fuck off.
I was getting to the cut.
Sweet.
Holy thanks, fellas.
Take a closer grab on each if you want.
Okay, bye.
She's got you.
Oh.
Look at this Porsche. Wide bodies on wide bodies. Up on wide bodies.